Alright, chuds, evening, 11:30 p.m, nope, 12 a.m, quick little video. This is it, this is kind of like my first video. Just wanted to start this channel just to document my journey of day trading. Yeah, we're day trading. I started learning like 5 months ago. Well, I started a year ago, but it was a bit on and off, and the model that I'm actually using now, and the analysis and everything I use now, I started learning a couple months back. So I'm not rich by any means yet, but I want to prove that this model, it works. It fucking works, and it's possible to understand it, and I just want to document it all. So here's the logic for, I wanted to show you why this huge down day happened, and then this behemoth of a fucking day. Look how big it, brother, man. This day was one of the biggest days I've seen GBPUSD have. Before I knew a trade was due here, I just want to give you the context of what happened in these 1, 2, 3, 4 days leading up to it. So I was expecting upside movement, but crikey, it was insane. Alright, so anyone new to the market profile, just relax. That's what this is. Each letter, just imagine each letter is a 30-minute bar, right? So imagine that is like one of these. Not literally that is that one, but you kind of get the gist of what I'm saying here. And the profile, like this, or shape, is just 9:30 a.m. here, New York open to New York close. So that's all it is. That is just the movement, just put into letters. Okay, so the context before entering this trade is as follows. Just try and stay with me. This profile here, far left, 13th of the 3rd. Notice where its highs are. 8 period highs here. Boom. Notice in the 16th of the 3rd, look where each time it comes down, two ticks below these highs. In here, mink. In F, in G, bing, bing, bing. 3 times it comes down here and sees buying. This type of buying that occurs here is weak. It's not strong. This is day traders. This is like me and you doing it. It'll push it up. It's momentum. It can keep going. Yeah, I get that, but we'll get as to why this didn't keep on going up. So that's our clue number 1. Also, it's left quite a few poor lows, but that's just a discussion for a different time. It's a whole different kettle of fish. This day, 7th of the 3rd, look at this movement. It's fat. It's fucking useless. Nothing's going on here. It is literally just nothing. It can't go to the upside. It's not going to the downside. Its balance is literally nothing. It tried going down, market went down, market went up, bang, didn't really do anything. Okay, so that's our second clue. We have 3 clues that this is going to collapse. All those clues combined to the 19th of the 3rd this day as to why it explodes. So we have this weak buying here. We got pull lows, bang, bang, basically where candles close near each other. We got this pathetic up day. Literally nothing happened, and then we eventually see it sell off here. Did I catch this? No, because this is about 3:30 a.m. my time. I was truly in bed by then. Okay, so quickly coming back to 18th of the 3rd, you could have taken a trade probably during this area here. During K period, would have 100% been a nice short. Destination would have been here. Taking out these weak lows, taking out where these weak longs were coming in. So that's the 18th of the 3rd trade. Again, if it wasn't 3:30 a.m. in the morning, freaking heck yeah, I would have got into that. Anyway, the most important thing I really want to get to today and clock this is this trade here. This is just crazy. 19th of the 3rd. This mother of all trades. So we knew the inventory was long, and wait, what I mean by that is that short-term traders will buy the market. They will keep buying, and it's weak money. It's like, it's if you and me buy, we bringing the market up, not literally, but all these long positions are getting taken by us. So once we knew these got swept out, which was what happened here, like I just said, 18th of the 3rd, weak buying, taken out. These guys are now out of the market, out of the game. That's just got bought up by strong money, smart money, whatever you want to call it. So once we see that, that's our like 4th clue that something big's gonna happen here. This big, I didn't expect, but hey, shit, it happens. Mixing that, the nail in the coffin for me, if I just bring up this is gonna look a bit weird, I'm sorry. Look at, this is Asian and London session, look where it closed each time. So these are all, imagine these are candle bars. Low here, low here, low here, low here, basically a low here, low here. Whereas this is gonna be a bit complicated, but this green line is another distribution. It was not getting accepted lower. Price was not allowed to move lower. So just, that was the nail in the coffin for me, that this was absolutely going to go up. Anyway, So that was happening in Asian and London session. That's just a whole different story that we can delve into another time. So knowing these clues, week long, week buying, pull lows, lack of upside movement, comes down, takes it out, week lows done, inventory is now balanced. Overnight, I know it's niche, all stopping at that support line right here, not getting accepted. We have clues that something is going to happen to the outside. We're going to get rallied. This day, this is what happens. This is exactly what was going through my head. New York session open, starts up. That's right here, right? This little green arrow, this little green A here, bang. 9:30, that's where it is. That's where the price is. I'm feeling good. Shitting my pants a little bit because my analysis felt so good. If I was wrong, I would have been upset, but it did exactly what I said. So A period, again, imagine as a 30-minute candle, it opened, we were watching, market went up a bit, market then went down, market then up a bit more, then went down, and at this point I'm questioning my decision. I'm like, why is it so far low? I'm freaking out. I'm getting a little bit nervous. So why is it going down? It's going down. Why? It's early days, early in the market. This may be like 6 minutes in or something like that. When I get good enough, I want to be buying down here. Once you see price start coming down here, it's slowing, it's struggling to go lower, pushing, tempo slows, everything's slowing to the downside, you buy it, you get in quick. That's maybe in a few months' time, because it is hard to buy in when the market's going against you is pretty terrifying. But once you got context on your side, like I said, all of this, you can 100% be thinking of going in. There's just too much saying it's going to go up. So now, comes down here. As soon as we see it go past the opening, price comes down, price comes all the way back up past the opening, I'm in. I've bought in. I had to stop by here, and now it's going up, and it's going up quick. You don't usually see this with GBPUSD, but it was going up fast during a period. Usually this happens in gold or something, but it was absolutely going up. Now we're on. Money is going up. I'm nervous. I haven't seen profits like this before. Like I said, I'm new to doing this. I never have a huge lot size in either, but money was going up. So throwing good, I took my profits out. I think it was about here-ish. It was at these highs, these old previous highs up here. I was too happy, man. Was it a huge amount of money? No, not really. And it turns out, like you can see here, you could have made a lot more. You could have made a lot more if you just held it in. It slows down here, you would have been getting nervous, but especially with this polo, but it never stops. Really kind of struggling to go up to the and then bang, late period, all the shorts, people that were going short here, bang, they all cover. When I say cover, if they went short here, they're praying to God's hand that price comes down. It comes up here, they get more nervous. It comes up here, they get more nervous. Bang, they have to buy back. And that explains this late afternoon little rally. Look, that was just my quick analysis of last week. Like I said, following week, 23rd. I think this is we're gonna start seeing some upside movement, because it sold off because this was a lot of short, people who went short here buying back and into cover positions. There was a lot of A prints here which needed to get repaired, but look, it comes down and then just stops. It struggles to go down, then starts stagnating within here. So there was a sell-off. I think it was just emotional. Look at this, half back is just the middle point of this. That's where the selling occurred. Very weak. Don't expect this to hold. It's gonna go up. All right, so that's just, I just wanted to document that, report it. If you guys get on board with it, I very much would love to teach this because it's so fun. But like I said, I'm still relatively new to it. It really is the only method that I see is truly profitable. I'm sure there's other things that work. Like you can use your ICTs and whatnot. ICT, TGR, this, that, the other. I tried it out, but I never had the type of results I was having with this, so that's why I'm jumping on this. And it just makes the most sense. It's the hardest to learn, but it makes the most sense. Once you kind of get your head around it, it really is handing you money. It's crazy. So in a couple years, when I come back to this video, it'll be interesting to see how far we've come. Till next time, probably this week sometime, I'll try and do more actively, post videos and whatnot, but get a video out with my trades, and if I actually enter a trade, try and do some live sessions and whatnot, and get my thoughts and everything on. So yeah, peace out, gangsters.